Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling to get YouTube views, the video is going to change everything for you. Today I'm breaking down proven real YouTube growth strategies that work right now in 2025. The same strategies the biggest creators use to explode their views. And guess what? You don't need fancy equipment, you just need the right strategy. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to get more views, keep viewers watching longer, and get YouTube algorithm in your side. The biggest mistake new creators make is trying to talk to everyone. YouTube doesn't push general content, it pushes specialized content to the right audience. Ask yourself, who exactly is watching my videos? What problems I'm solving for them? And what should they click my video instead of someone else? The algorithms promote videos that make people feel something, excitement, or desire to learn. So your goal should be go to the creator for one topic. For example, take Android tips, AI tools, YouTube growth, lifestyle, study habit, meal preparation. Also, gaming should be tutorials, gameplay breakdowns. So niche equal to views, specific equal to growth. Most viewers leave videos in the first 3 seconds, so your hook must tell viewers immediately what they are going to get, why they should stay, and why your video is different. YouTube is a search engine, not just a video site. If you rank high, you get a free views every day. Use keyword in these 4 places: title, first 25 word of description, tags inside your script. So here is how to make it. How to increase YouTube views. Example for keywords, phrases. Get more views on YouTube. YouTube algorithm tips. Grow YouTube channel fast. So CEO title example, how to get more views on YouTube fast. Top 2025 growth hacks. CEO description, you can use in the first line, learn how to increase YouTube views fast using the newest 2025 algorithm strategies. CEO is free, growth, use it. Click-through rate, CTR, control your traffic. If people don't click, YouTube stop promoting. High CTR title should be short, clear, emotional. Good examples for this YouTube tracks got me 1 million views. Stop doing this, it's killing your channel. How I went from 0 views to 10k daily. Thumbnail rules should be bright colors, words maximum 4 to 3, big contrast, and emotional or strong concept. Your thumbnail is about 80% of your views. Watch time is the #1 ranking factor. If viewers stay, YouTube pushes your video everywhere. Here is how to keep people watching longer. Cut long pauses, edit fast pacing, use on-screen text, use B-roll, include many hooks. Coming up next, break content into sections, resolve curiosity slowly. Remember, if your retention is above 50%, your video will grow automatically. YouTube Love Series. If post videos that connect viewers, the algorithms boosts your channel. Example, Episode 1, YouTube CEO Basics. Episode 2, Grow Fast with Retention. Episode 3, Thumbnail Secrets. This make viewers return, and returning viewers massive growth. Your YouTube analytics. Audience, when your viewers are online, post 1 hour before peak time. This gives YouTube enough time to test your video before your viewers arrive. For most channels, the best time are between 6 p.m. to 2 a.m., Saturday and Sunday, midweeks, or evening. Encourage engagement. Don't just say like and subscribe. Instead, ask, comment yes if you want part 2. Drop your country blue. I am curious where you are watching from. Tell me your biggest YouTube problem and I will answer in the next video. And just will encourage your viewers to interact with your video. Post high-value shorts daily. Shorts are currently the fastest way to reach a new audience. Post quick tips, before and after results, fast tutorials, mini version of your long videos, and always end your shorts with full video on my channel. Turn one video into 10 pieces of content. The successful creator who grow fast don't create more, but they use long video. You can create 5 shorts, a TikTok video, an Instagram reel, a Facebook post, a LinkedIn post, a Pinterest idea pin, a Twitter, X thread. Each platform sends new traffic to your YouTube channel. This is how creators grow without burning out. Use suggested video hijacking. One of the fastest way to get more views is by placing your video next to big creators' video. How do you do that? YouTube look at title similarity, descriptions, keywords, thumbnail style, topic connection. So, if a big creator in your niche has a viral video, recreate a better version and use similar keywords. Example, if someone posts how I got 100k subscribers fast, your title could be the real way to get 100k subscribers fast, what not one told you. YouTube will put your video next to their free views. Use keyword remixing. This is an SEO trick almost nobody uses. Take your main keyword, how to get more views on YouTube, then create a variations inside your script and description. Increase YouTube views fast, grow your channel in 2025, post watch time on YouTube, get more YouTube traffic. When your YouTube hears the variation in your audio and text, it ranks your audio for multiple searches, not just one.